Hey amazing hackers, I'm TORHAT from HM Cyber Academy. We are going to continue with our incredible web hacking series. Here, you're going to learn hacking or you'll die trying. So let's get started. Now we're back with the next level, Natas 10. Okay, so Natas 10, input the password. All right. So for security reasons, we now filter on certain characters. Okay, let's see this. I think it's the same thing. Okay, it has some extra code here. So let's see that code. Okay, so this whole thing is same. First, it sets a variable and sets it to empty string, and then checks the request. Okay, just like if we do ASDF, it's going to check this needle parameter and it just inputs the output as nothing because the ASDF doesn't exist. Okay, so first it checks if there is any array, and it takes the needle parameters value and assigns it to the key variable. Okay, and it also checks if the key is not null. Okay, not null means it is not empty, it has some value. If the key has some value, then it matches with these special characters. So we cannot use the semicolon this time. Okay, we cannot use the pipe, we cannot use the bracket. Okay, we cannot use the contents within this values. Okay, this forward slash and this forward slash doesn't mean that we are ignoring this, because if we check the preg match, so if you see some examples, you'll be able to see that single quote and forward slash. Okay, single quote and forward slash. So this is the format. Okay, so that it doesn't mean that forward slash is included. Forward slash is not included. Okay, forward slash is not included because this whole thing is the format. So only special characters that are included are these things. Okay, so we cannot use semicolon, we cannot use pipe, we cannot use ampersand, we cannot use brackets. So what we can do this time, let's see. So it's the same thing. So it says illegal characters. Let's just try that one as well. So illegal characters, so it is working. So we are in this position right now. So we have to somehow escape this. To escape this, we have to not keep these values. Okay, so let's say we haven't keep this value, so else pass through this function. Okay, and in this same key variable, we have to keep our payload. Okay, it usually checks with dictionary, but when the grep command is there, it can also check with some other this thing. Let me explain here. So this is what we got, right? So let's say we have our file here. So usually we keep some content here. Okay, let's change it to white for now. Okay, so this is our payload, right? So it checks ASDF in this dictionary. So this is our initial payload. So what if we change this to something like this? Okay, even if we keep A, it's going to check it in the dictionary. Okay, so if we check 2 files at a time, okay, /etc/natas underscore web pass /natas 11. So since we need natas 11, so it is going to check this file as well, right? Natas 11 file. So initially it's going to check small a in this file, and it is going to check any other characters like b or c. If it doesn't exist, it is going to check the next file. Okay, in this file, if the character c doesn't exist, then it is going to skip this file and it is going to check the next file. Okay, since we can keep forward slash, there is no restriction for forward slash. We can keep forward slash here. Okay, and it is going to check this file, and if the character c is not exist in this file, it is going to check the next file. Okay, dictionary. So in this way we can easily find a character. So a character exists in all these files. Okay, so a, and let's try to keep this payload as well, space this payload. Okay, a exists in this file. Okay, a also exists in this dictionary file. Okay, in this format. Okay, where does this a exist? A exists here and here. Okay, since this is case insensitive, okay, case insensitive, we can get both capital A and small a. Okay, so you can check with other characters as well. Okay, so you can check with any other character g. Okay, so you can keep g and space. So it's going to check the g character in this file, and it also checks g character in this dictionary file. Okay, so let's hit enter. Yeah, as you can see, this output has changed, this output did not change. So this is our password. All right then, I hope you understood. This is the same command injection but executed in a different way. We have inputted our payload and our file here in a different way. Okay, this is a, we cannot use special characters, so we have to find some other way to use this. So this is how we solve this. All right then, I hope you understand it clearly. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.